Understanding Upstream of the Dam, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase you might come across in English, upstream of the dam. Understanding phrases like these can greatly enhance your comprehension and fluency in English. So, let's explore what this phrase means, how it's used, and why it's important in both literal and metaphorical contexts. The phrase, upstream of the dam, involves two key components, upstream and the dam. Upstream refers to the direction against the current of a river or stream. It's the opposite of downstream, which means moving with the current. The dam is a barrier constructed to hold back water and raise its level, forming a reservoir, or to manage or prevent the flow of water. When combined, upstream of the dam describes a location or situation that is situated before or closer to the source of the river, relative to the dam, where the water flows towards the dam. It's the area affected by the dam but positioned before the water reaches the dam itself. This phrase can be understood in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Literal use. In a literal sense, upstream of the dam describes a physical location. For instance, if someone is fishing upstream of the dam, they are fishing in the part of the river that is before the dam when moving against the current. This area might have different ecological characteristics, water flow, and aquatic life compared to downstream. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, the phrase can symbolize situations or issues that occur before a significant barrier or checkpoint which impacts the flow or outcome of events. For example, solving a problem upstream of the dam might mean addressing it at its source before it escalates or reaches a critical point of impact. Understanding phrases like upstream of the dam is crucial for English learners because it enhances comprehension. Recognizing such phrases helps in understanding texts or conversations more accurately. Improves fluency. Being able to use these phrases in appropriate contexts can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Encourages cultural literacy. Many English idioms and phrases have cultural or historical origins, offering insights into English-speaking cultures. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, upstream of the dam. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and significance in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Remember, grasping these phrases can significantly enrich your English language journey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.